Welcome everybody to a special episode of Driving with Steven, because today I've got a big announcement and I want to share it with you. So what we're wanting to share is that for years now I've been giving information on what my wife and I do in our real estate business as I drive this very vehicle around the road, and you get to hear my opinions, my aspects, and things that might help you. But we've decided that, you know what, that's not that entertaining. So to kind of kick it up a notch, we decided, you know what, for years I have loved watching those flipping house shows that you find on television. And we've decided, you know what, why don't we do that with what we do? So my wife and I have started a new YouTube channel called That Flippin' House. And so what we want to do is not only show you the entertaining things like this, but also show you some of the real side of how we actually take a project from beginning and, finding that property, how we figure out what it needs, how we fund it, how we flip it, and how we get it out there for sale. And I thought that would be a much more entertaining thing to show you. So if you want to see more of this, we spend too much effort thinking that we have to spend, gobs of money to make anything in return. And the truth is if we plan correctly, if we build a home that's comfortable for those who are going to be living in it, we make it suitable for them, then what we end up with is a beautiful home that can be a win-win for everybody. I'm able to earn money because that's my business, right? That's what we do. I'm able to provide nice, clean, affordable housing for somebody else that they can love and enjoy for years to come. And that's really what this is all about. Or maybe you just want to see a little bit more of this. Then what I really need you to do is go out and like, subscribe, comment, tell your friends. Let people know that this channel exists, because in the upcoming months, we're going to be sending out these new episodes for you to see how we get a house to go from beginning to end. So to give you just a little bit of a preview, here's some before and after shots of one of the projects we've done recently. Now, I want to thank you so much. If you want to see more of these kind of clips in a television series right here on YouTube, then what I really need you to do is hit that subscribe button right now and get the word out. I thank you so much for your support. My wife and I are so grateful for all that we've been able to accomplish, and we want to share it with you so that you guys can not only get the entertainment from watching us making our good times, making our mistakes, making whatever it is that we do, but ultimately turning a profit and making some real money that supplies our needs, and ways to show you how to do the same without using any of your own money. So let's get the word out. Let's go show the world what we've got going on. And I want to thank you so much for watching these videos with me. Talk to you soon. Bye.